enough to dry it. You're just gonna suck the stuff out when you're done.
It'd probably take like years to leak out anyway, but the terminal seal probably just leaked out over time. That's what I was thinking.
I don't want to screw Kenny up. Oh, yeah. We're pushing it right now. What? We're pushing it right now. We're going to see this bastard. Well, you got like 3 vintage box fans, ceiling fans, incandescent light bulbs, and this thing.
It's all in the same circuit.
That breaker's like, no! Probably a little Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure they are the same circuits. Just saying. I think I have that same camera. I've heard a lot of good things about this fixed camera. I bought it in like early high school. I remember it being $200 something bucks. The most money I'd spent on something like that forever. It's done me well. I still use it. It's good enough repairs. Do the YouTube thing as a hobby. Why they make stuff this quiet? Majority of it, at least. Yeah, I can't believe how quiet this is. Granted, it is outside, but still. Wow.
Yes. It was the greatest day. Just see everything.
2 flights of stairs to put it in.
Like I just couldn't believe it.
Is it literally just twice as heavy as a regular air conditioner?
As I
What's it weigh, like 300? 250? 30-ish, something like that. So because I was going to say, when I got that Fedder's Everest report, that thing has every bit of 200 kilograms. That thing is comically large. Like if you look at it, that are actually like a square.
So I printed out these flyers and I post religiously on like all the yard sale pages in the area. I've actually had some people contact me, but I'm going to start printing them out. I'm going to give them to people. Hey, you ever see one of these? Call me up. I'll give you more than scrap. And even if they're all busted out, bad condition, it's still parts. It's parts that we didn't have. As long as I can keep doing it, I'll keep doing it. I'm looking forward to it.
That's not got my.
Oh. We check the back. But that's cool. I appreciate that. What's your name? Bob. Nice to meet you.
That's bad.
I'll definitely be in contact. This is cool. This is right on my. I could tell him, hey, you know, I was in the warehouse. Not that I guess he worked in the he was. Yes.
You gotta spray it on the
Spray on base
spray
of
it
the
at
fire.
the base of the flame.
Move that fan. That fan's got a plastic grill. Move that.
Turn off the fans.
Is the hose off?
You can't spray water on a green
No, you can't. Or else.
Whoa.
I don't know.
I used to put on 3 fires in my day. You got another one?
I see. Fire pavilion on.
There's another one. Give me. Give the firefighter. Come on, Rob.
Ted.
Thank God for Rob.
Got another one?
I'll call you back if we turn off. We don't have to. But I can't get there. Police fire catch on fire.
No, it won't blow.
Pavilion
It's
down
got a
by
thing.
32 Hillside Road. I'm more concerned about the propane bottle that's right next to that.
Need more one person.
Yeah, because that tank is gonna go if it gets too warm.
Yeah, get the propane tank. Propane tank.
Yeah, I know. Get out of there.
Grease fire. Okay.
No water, people. I might have put it out. What the fuck? We might have it. Is it out now? It's still gonna come. Eric just got here, man.
Jeez. It's still on. Oh my gosh.
What the fuck? Man, I think we're gonna be all right. Oh, right. I was like, oh, cigarette. Oh, it's the grill on fire.
Yeah, it's the deep fryer.
Yeah.
Caught fire.
It's close to full. You got another one? What's that in?
At least it got down. Still.
I was in the middle of trying to get them a government. Error, because he comes down there. Part of your Did they have to call 911?
Yeah.
Yeah, we called the fire department. I figured my feathers caught on fire. Russ just called. Was it air conditioner related or food related?
Food related.
Yeah,
It was the deep fryer. Holy shit.
Grease fires are fucking, like, they're the worst.
It's awful. They could just... You can't use water on them. It's not out. It's still going. Thankfully, I moved mine to the.
What are the chances of the AC meter catching on fire? Slim at this point. It's down. Just let it air out. Man, I bet everyone around is fired.
Oh, they got the propane tank disconnected.
People are running from the house.
They got the propane tank.
Alright, so propane's disconnected. Turn the electricity off.
Just in case. I think they took the propane away.
Jeez.
I was afraid it was going to hit the rain.